Hey guys, my name is Ronald Wesonga, and today's session we are going to look at one of the major cultural practices carried out in potatoes, and that is none other than earthing up. We are going to look at what earthing up entails, how it is done, when it is done, and the importance of earthing up in potatoes. Come along. Now, as you can see, this is my sample potato farm. Now, first of all, we are going to look at what earthing up entails. So earthing up basically means molding of soil around the base of the potato plant to prevent the tubers from turning green and becoming poisonous and livestock. So when you want to do earthing up, first of all, is when. The first question that we are going to ask ourselves is, when is earthing up done? Earthing up should be done before the tubers turn green and become poisonous, reducing their edibility. It should also be done when the potato plant is 20 centimeters above the ground. And how do we do it? When you want to do earthing up, take your hoe and mold soil at the base of the potato plant. You should ensure that 5 centimeters of the shoot is covered with soil. This will ensure that the remaining part is allowed to grow strongly. To enable to support the lower base of the potato plant. Now, as you are doing the molding of the soil around the base of the potato plant, ensure that only 5 centimeters of the plant is left above the ground so that it can grow strongly, supporting the lower base of the crop. And also, this will ensure that the lower base of the tuber, or the lower base of the potatoes which are carrying the tubers, are starved from sunlight, ensuring that the tubers do not turn black as a result of excessive sunlight. And also we want to look at how to maintain the ridges now. The ridges should be checked regularly after earthing up to check if they have been washed away by rainfall. In case they have been washed away by rainfall, after every 10 to 50 centimeters of new growth, it should be repeated again by molding soil again at the bases of the potato plant. And as you are doing molding, try to remove weeds and debris that have returned since planting. And also, when you are doing earthing up, ensure that the ridges are not steep enough. This will ensure that in between the ridges, water can flow in between to support the potatoes during drier season. And now we are done with the actual process of earthing up in potatoes. Now the next step, we are going to looking at the importance of earthing up to potatoes. The first importance of earthing up in potatoes is that it ensures that stolons above the ground are well covered with soil, ensuring formation of new tubers. This will double or triple the harvest as a result of the formation of new tubers. The second importance of earthing up is that it loosens the soil around the base of the potatoes allow for efficient tuber expansion. The third importance is that earthing up exposes soil-borne pests to direct sunlight, killing them, hence reducing their population in the soil. The fourth importance is that, as you know, that there are some countries in temperate regions that produce potatoes, and potatoes are very sensitive to frosty conditions. So earthing up will ensure that the base of the potato plant is protected from frosty conditions, preventing the tubers from rotting up. And the last importance of earthing up is that it provides darker conditions within the base of the potato plant, which is ideal for new tuber formation and development. This will also prevent greening up. This will also prevent greening of the potato tubers, which makes them poisonous and inedible to human beings. As you can see that this is an properly earthed potato tuber, which is very fresh and non-green. This one here was poorly earthed up. You can see this part is green. So this part, if consumed by man or livestock, may lead to poisonous situations.